What's that on? I'm not quite sure. I guess I can see at the top the numbers are going. Oh, hello, yes. I have not introduced myself. I am Stevie. I don't usually blog. This is my first time that the girls, Sunshine and Sherry Lynn, are out in the garden resting. It's not quite the gardens that we have in England, but I'm a southern girl too. I have allergies, but I'm allergic to the adorable cat Pandora, but please don't tell it that. So I had to sneak back here and I wanted to see what other fuss was about. So I want to read this poem that Sunshine wrote quite a long time ago when she was in hospital for so many times back then. It seemed three or four times a month, maybe, likely. I don't recall, but I was not here at the time. But now she is not in hospital as much. Praise Jesus. So, oh, I'm so sorry. So this is kind of, let me try to get through it. All right. Oh, so sorry. This is called Why Not Me. Here I am in the hospital again, chained to my IV like some kind of prisoner. So sorry. And I cry out, Lord, why me? Am I singing songs? Am I praising him the way the Apostle Paul did when he was in prison? Achoo! Have I traveled over 10,000 miles? Oh, excuse me. Oh. I'm so sorry. Have I traveled over 10,000 miles, spreading the gospel, never resting a while? Achoo! Have I been shipwrecked without a home? Have I been in a cold, dark dungeon all alone? Do I count myself blessed to be oh, excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I have to get through this. I must. Yes. Have I been in a cold, dark dungeon all alone? Achoo! Do I count myself blessed to be persecuted in his name? Have I been judged for my faith being put to shame? So here I rest safe and sound, back at home, meditating on the Apostle Paul. So sorry. Meditating on the Apostle Paul, and my question changes. My pity party is over. Achoo! Oh, I'm so sorry. My pity party is over. Although my bruises are still there, I am still so weak and can barely stand. And my question changes. Who am I, Lord, to complain? Why not me? Achoo! Oh, praise Jesus. So, rather quickly, I must, before the girls get back here, and see what I'm doing. I tried, I do snort when I laugh when I'm all alone, or you must know you quite well. I would not do it in public, no. All right, Isaiah 40:31. Oh, for those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Oh, yes, I think they're coming back. Shh. All right. God bless you.